next week, we're still investigating DPWH. Ang DPWH, ang pinaka-racket dyan is yung ghost project. So walang delivery ghost project. Marami yan. Karamihan yan, it's the regional director. Ipapalabas nila na may project ito, but wala. So the best way is to conduct an audit of those projects to determine if they are ghost projects or not. And I think they are plenty. I really intend to clean government. At least kung hindi ko kaya, maminus-minusan ang kurakot sa gobyerno. Yan na lang ang konselo ng tao na mahuli at